So this is a test of the Arduino programming. It's not hooked up to the motor yet, but you can see the display output of what the current gear is, and you can index up and down. And since there are 8 speeds on the bicycle, when you reach 8 it won't allow you to change up anymore, and then you can go back down to 1 and it won't allow you to do that either. And then this third button is for a set mode, which you can fine tune each gear. The lead screw itself is actually ball bearinged to decrease friction and allow the step motor to pull the cable quite easily. Even with the ball bearings, there's enough friction in the thread to stop the cable being pulled when the step motor is off or during vibrations on a bike ride. The rear derailleur had to be modified to give the step motor more leverage over the spring and allow the cable to pivot slightly. So the leverage arm was increased and is adjustable on the rear derailleur, and this little drop link was added to give the cable more travel and therefore less force, allowing the step motor to operate. This center console mounted to the bottle cage bolts is sort of where it all happens. We have the step motor driving the lead screw, which is encased behind this tubular aluminum piece, which is covered in grease, pulling the cable exiting out the back here, which goes to the rear derailleur. Then we also have the motor driver board here. This is a 4-pole step motor, so there are 4 transistors, and is controlled with 4 pins off of the Arduino. The Arduino sits back in there. All but one of the output digital pins is used. The Arduino's battery is located on top of the lead screw, and the motor's batteries are located on the back side. Everything to do with the motor basically comes through these cables, and then these bounded cables here. This grey one provides power to the input. Then we have this one going to the motor driver. Then these 2 both run the switches and the screen up here. The screen is run through a decoder, which is hidden under the little nameplate there. And the switches and the output LED are run from the other set of 4 wires. Of course, we turn it there, and we change the gear here. It just takes a while. The thread advance is very slow, but that gives the step motor mechanical advantage of go it is. So now with the step motor electronics put in, this should operate perfectly.
Alright, so this is the auto bike trial test 1.
Yes, it's on there.
We can
See,
see
it's indicating 4th gear. It's in 4th gear.
Oh my god. It's in 4th gear. So yeah. Let's go for a ride.
Now go for a change. Everything on, just gonna hit the plus button and click onto the next car, just like that. Go back to minus again, get back. There we go. Back.
Alright. Change gear again. Now I gotta